Question 18 reads, during a storm, the atmospheric pressure in a certain location fell at a constant rate of 3.4 millibars per hour over a 24-hour time period. Which of the following is closest to the total drop in atmospheric pressure in millimeters of mercury over the course of 5 hours during the 24-hour time period? And this works out. We can, the ratio between this 1 hour here and the 5 hours should be the same because, or should be constant because this is at a constant rate, okay? And so that's important right here. Otherwise, the method we're going to use for this question doesn't really work out without this information right here. And other than that, I'm noticing that the units here are in millibars and they want our final solution in millimeters of mercury. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a thing called conversion factors. And basically the idea is it's used to convert units. And if I have 3.4 millibars, for instance, I'm going to multiply that by a fraction in order to cancel out this millibars and have remaining this millimeters of mercury. And so in specific, it's going to be 760 millimeter of mercury on the numerator and 1013 millibars on the denominator. And if you can notice that these two can cancel out, and that's what we're after in a conversion factor. And now we're only the units remaining is millimeters of mercury. Okay, and so this is a successful conversion. And I recommend, if you didn't understand, watch a video on YouTube about conversion factors. They're very useful for unit questions on the SAT. And so now if I plug this in to the calculator, I should have my atmospheric pressure in millimeters of mercury. So it's going to be 3.4 into 760 divided by 1013. That's going to give me roughly 2.55 millimeters of mercury. Okay, but notice that this is the atmospheric pressure per hour over a 24-hour time period. And they're asking over the course of 5 hours. And so what we really do is just multiply this by 5. That'll give us the atmospheric pressure for the 5-hour period, right? And so if I do this again, multiply it by 5, that's going to give me roughly 12.75. And the closest answer choice is B.